how to address the pain points of complex microservice deployment on private clouds. Inefficient large-scale virtual machine O&M, and cumbersome metering and billing. Tencent Cloud Enterprise has fully upgraded its O&M capabilities to easily solve these challenges. It enables full lifecycle microservice release based on the TSF platform, simplifying deployment and improving stability. It realizes batch O&M of virtual machines through the application O&M platform, with script management and fast execution to boost O&M efficiency. It provides refined metering and billing management, supporting multi-dimensional queries including pricing, orders, and revenue sharing, helping quantify resource usage costs for business teams. The entire process features low-threshold visual operations to support efficient business operation. First up, I'd like to walk you through the deployment of microservice applications. Service Framework provides enterprises with one-stop full lifecycle microservice management capabilities, covering core functions such as application deployment, service registration and discovery, configuration management, traffic control, and monitoring and operations. It helps enterprises simplify the process of building microservice architectures and improve system stability and operations efficiency. We will now introduce the microservice workload deployment capability. First, navigate to the Microservice Framework page and choose Cluster. Create a container cluster named Cluster 1. For demonstration, we have already created it. Application management is one of TSF's core features. Choose Application Management and create an application. In the displayed dialog box, specify the application name. Select the container deployment mode. Select Java for programming language, and select Spring Cloud for development framework. After the application is created, the Image tab is displayed. Click Upload Package Image. Select Jar Package Deployment. Select the JDK version, and upload an application package. Click Upload Package and create image. The progress for uploading one provider jar package is displayed here. Then, upload one consumer jar package in the same way. After two packages are uploaded, click the Deployment Group tab. Click Create Deployment Group. Specify the group name. Select the pre-created cluster. Select the namespace and the Kubernetes namespace. Click Save and Next. Ensure that the group name is unique. Next, select the previously uploaded image and configure the resources. Click Expand Container Advanced Settings to set keep alive check and readiness check. Configure other parameters. After configuration, click Submit. You can check the deployment progress on this page. When succeeded is displayed, the deployment is complete. On this page, you can also check relevant logs and events, which facilitates further troubleshooting during the deployment. Go back to the Application Management page. Click the target application to go to the Application Details page. On the Deployment Group tab, the newly created deployment group is displayed. On this page, you can perform a variety of operations on the application, such as editing YAML, viewing logs and events, restarting the application and stopping the application. When the application is running, you can go to the Details page at any time to check the deployment group's Kubernetes events, basic information, logs, and instance statuses. That's all for the deployment process of a TSF application. Next, let's talk about batch operations for virtual machines. Through Application Operations Platform, Tencent Cloud Enterprise delivers business application-oriented ops capabilities. It allows you to query tenant cloud product resources from CMDB. It can also allow you to rapidly execute scripts in batches and upload files on the UI. This product significantly improves ops efficiency. After logging into the Tencent Cloud Enterprise Tenant Console, choose Application Operations Platform, locate CMDB, and click Resource Directory. Here, you can see an overview of cloud resources synchronized from cloud products, currently covering core services such as Cloud Virtual Machine, Cloud Block Storage, Virtual Private Cloud, and Cloud Load Balancer. Click Host. All VMs and their details under the current tenant are displayed. The details include IP addresses, operating systems, and other key information. On the Application Operations platform page, locate Host Operations. Click Script Management and Custom Script. The platform offers in-browser script editing and upload functionality, enabling UI-based script management. On the Application Operations platform page, locate Host Operations and click Quick Execution. Then you can rapidly initiate a task. For example, you can execute scripts, distribute files, and run Ansible playbooks. Here, select the script type and a pre-configured custom script. Check the code content. Configure the execution account, select target hosts, and click Execute. On the Execution Details page, check the whole execution status, the execution status per host, execution time period, and script output. In this example, the script runs successfully and returns the expected strings. Finally, I'd like to share with you how metering and billing management works. We will be covering billing item pricing, resource procurement, and bill generation. Billing management is one of the critical operations functions for the cloud platform. It offers end-to-end platform capabilities, such as pricing, procurement, orders, billing, and cost allocation. It helps cloud platform operators to quantify the resource usage costs of business teams, thereby enabling refined operations. Log into the Tencent Cloud Enterprise Operations console as an operator. Choose Billing Management and Product Pricing. On this page, you can check details of the pre-configured pricing policies, including the billing item name, region, payment type, billing mode, billing cycle, price type, and price. Locate the target item and click Modify to change the price as required. Log in to the Tencent Cloud Enterprise tenant console and choose a cloud product. Click Create to add an instance. In the displayed dialog box, the resource price is displayed. Click OK. An order is generated and the resource instance is created. Go back to the Billing Management page on the Operations console. Choose Order Management. Check the resource order details, such as the order creation time and specifications. Choose Bill Management to check resource bills. You can query the total expenditure and bill details by tenant, product, region, and other dimensions. You can also review bill details, including the resource alias, ID, cloud product name, operator name, billing mode, region, AZ, and other information. This is the brand new upgrade of Tencent Cloud Enterprise Platform O&M covering microservice application release, batch virtual machine O&M, and billing metering. For those interested, you may click the details link below to follow the Tencent Cloud Enterprise International website, or download the industry's first VMware migration and upgrade guide whitepaper for free. Follow the Tencent Cloud channel as we continue to unbox the latest Tencent Cloud products for you.